Hi everyone! As you guys have seen in our announcement video, we are going on a road trip to America and Canada in a few days. And of course we need to arrange so many things in order to leave. But the most important thing that we have to arrange is Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi thing that we got through a really cool sponsorship. Basically it's a Wi-Fi package that we got for our road trip to keep you guys updated of all our adventures. But hold on a sec, let us explain how this thing got here. First things first, let's order the Wi-Fi. Well, the first step, quite obvious, go to the website of Travelerswifi. A quick and funny note about the website: if you scroll down the website, the console is joining you in different positions. On the website there is already a lot of information about the countries where you can pick up the Wi-Fi and how to return it. The easiest way to book your Travelers Wi-Fi is to click on the button Book It. Next, an important step. Choose the tab Global if you want your Wi-Fi to be delivered outside of Switzerland. If you prefer Switzerland, then, well, you get it. We would like to have our Wi-Fi delivered in Belgium, of course, so we filled this in together with the start date and the number of routers. Then we also fill in the location we want it to return, with the return date and the country in which we will use the Wi-Fi. Next, you can choose a pickup location to get your Wi-Fi, or you can choose a delivery method. After all that, you can also see some useful options, or you can use a coupon if you have one, of course. Down below you can find a summary of the options you chose. Time for the next step. On this page you can fill in your delivery address. Of course we are not using our real address, this is just an indication to show you guys. Off to the next step. In here you need to fill in your billing address. Makes sense, of course. And now we're off to the final step, money time. Well, that was easy. Let's wait now.
A few moments later.
Yay, it has arrived. So let's unbox it. Fancy. Ooh, a cookie. Okay, let's see. So I think this is the Wi-Fi console thing. That's small. Thought it was bigger. So I think this is the charger. Oh, wow. I think it's a I don't know what you call it, but look, we can use it in every country. Not that we're going to every country, but cool. The user guide. Maybe we have to read that first. And oh, the return envelopes. That's cool. That, you know, that there's already in it. For every country on it. Belgium. Yes. Gonna need number 3. So there we go, we are all set now for our trip, well, for the Wi-Fi anyway. So as you saw, it's really easy to reserve and book your own. So if you're going on a trip, a long one, a short one, or if you just need Wi-Fi, Travelers Wi-Fi is the answer. Thanks for watching, guys.